The silence and support, unpacking reactions to the Balaalo issue in Acholi. The Balaalo Must Go movement in Acholi has brought to light a range of reactions, from overwhelming support to puzzling silence and vocal opposition among certain influential figures. Analyzing these responses offers valuable insights into motivations and priorities of those involved, particularly members of parliament, politicians, and traditional leaders. The weight of silence. What we have learned, the silence of many prominent individuals, especially those expected to advocate for their communities, has been a significant point of contention. This silence can be interpreted in several ways. The first one is prioritizing personal gain. A common perception is that some individuals may have prioritized personal financial gain over the welfare of their constituents. The allure of monetary incentives could lead to a reluctant people to challenge the status quo, especially when significant commercial interests are at play. The second thing is fear and cowardice. Speaking out against powerful interests, including those potentially backing the Balaalo, can carry significant risk. Some individuals might fear political persecution or repercussion, loss of influence, or even personal danger, leading them to remain silent rather than confront the issue directly. This points to the potential lack of courage in upholding their community's interest. The third thing you need to know is questionable ancestry or allegiance. While a sensitive point, the sentiment among some community members is that those silent or supportive to individuals may not have the best interests of the Acholi people at heart, perhaps due to perceived mixed loyalties or a disconnect from the cultural fabric of the community. This perspective, though harsh, reflects deep-seated frustration and feeling of betrayal within the community. The few that have taken side with Balaalo, we can have a deeper look. Equally impactful are the few who have openly sided with the Balaalo. Their actions raise even more pointed questions. There is also probably financial inducement. It is widely believed that financial considerations play a primary role for these individuals. Supporting the Balaalo, especially when land transactions are involved, can be financially lucrative, potentially overshadowing any commitment to the customary land rights of the Acholi people. Reports claims that